In this video we will take a look how to make our upload field required. You can see I'm already here on the product page and we have here an upload button. I will click here, choose a file, I will choose this one. We will edit and now we will click add to cart. So we can see it went straight into the cart and it was not required to upload this file. So that means even without an image, so if we go to remove it and click add to cart, we will see it anyways goes to the cart. So now let's see what we can do that it will prevent the end customer from clicking the cart, so that they have to upload an image first. So we go back to our Shopify dashboard, go to the app, we'll click on Uploadly. Now the app dashboard will open up and we can scroll all the way down to our required button. So in my case it's button 1, so I will click edit. Now the button settings will open up and I can scroll down to the section require field. I will extend it and we can see here, do you want to make upload field required? In this case, yes, we want to do that. And here you can also see the message which will show. Please upload a file. Okay, that's fine, but you can also modify it here. So in my case it's good, so we click the save button. We go back to the product page. Let's also remove the items from the cart so that we can really check it out. I will refresh the page one time. And now we can see here is a small icon which says required. If I now click add to cart, we see the message, please upload a file. I will click OK, and now it will only work if a file is uploaded.